Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be solving this wonderful exponential equation. Now I'm going to start by writing 8 minus k, open bracket, 2 raised to the power of k, close bracket, plus, now this 2 raised to the power of minus k plus 3, I'm going to split it. So I'm going to write it like this. I'll say 2 raised to the power of minus k multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3. Now this is according to the law of indices. Then we write minus k, then all equal to 0. Then we continue again. We write 8 minus k, open bracket, 2 raised to the power of k plus 2 raised to the power of minus k times 2 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 8. Then minus k, all equal to 0. Now my next step now will be to rearrange this whole expression for easy factorization. So I'm going to write this expression as, I'm going to rearrange it. So I'm going to write 8 plus 2 raised to the power of minus k times 8 minus k minus k, open bracket, 2 raised to the power of k, close bracket, all equal to 0. So I finish rearranging this. Now it's time to factorize. Now 8 is common here, 8 is common here. So I will say 8 is the HCF between these two expressions here. So I write 8 here, open bracket, 8 divided by 8 is what? 1. Then this expression here now divided by 8 now is what? Plus 2 raised to the power of minus k. I'll close my bracket. Then now between these two variables here now, k is common, k is the HCF. So I'll say minus k, open bracket, k divided by k, that's what? 1. Then now this expression divided by k is what? Plus 2 raised to the power of k. Close my bracket, all equal to 0. Now I can still go further in factorizing this expression inside the brackets. So I'm going to write this 8. So we say 8 multiply. Now I'm going to take this 2 raised to the power of minus k outside. So here will now be 2 raised to the power of what? Minus k. Then I'll open my bracket. Now this divided by this, 2 raised to the power minus k divided by 2 raised to the power minus k, that's what? 1. Then plus 2 raised to the power of what? K minus k, close, open bracket, 1 plus 2 raised to the power of k, then all equal to 0. Now in this side now we know that 2 raised to the power minus k multiplied by 1 will give me 2 raised to the power of minus k. 2 raised to the power of minus k multiplied by 2 raised to the power of k will give us 2 raised to the power of 0, and 2 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this factorization here is correct. So now I can, since we have 1 plus 2 raised to the power of k in this bracket here, and we also have it here, I can pick one of it. I'll say 1 plus 2 raised to the power of k, close bracket, then I'll open a new bracket. Now take this expression and this. So here will become 8 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus k, close bracket, and all equal to 0. So I have finished factorizing this. Now my next step now will be to say that since this expression is multiplying this expression and it's equal to 0, that means either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So right, 1 plus 2 raised to the power of k is equal to 0, or 8 times 2 raised to the power of minus k is equal to 0. Then from here now I can simply say that 2 raised to the power of k is equal to minus 1. Then, or here is what? 8. So I write my 8, then times this 2 raised to the power minus k is the same thing as 1 all over 2 raised to the power of k, according to the law of indices. Then all equal to, I'm going to take this minus k now to this position, so it will now become just k. So we continue. Then from here now, from this expression here now, I'm going to take the ln of both sides. So we have ln 2 raised to the power of k is equal to ln open bracket minus 1. Or then now from here now, I'm going to cross multiply. That this 2 raised to the power of k is going to multiply k. So we now have this expression cannot be written like this. So 8 equal to what? K multiplied by 2 raised to the power of k. Then from here now, according to the law of logarithm, this k will move behind. So we will now have something like this. K ln 2 equals to ln bracket minus 1. Close my bracket. Or now this is 8. This is k multiplied by 2 raised to the power of k. So this 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2. We know that 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So this 8 can be written like this, all equal to k multiplied by 2 raised to the power of k. Then we'll continue again with this side. Now we know that ln minus 1 is the same thing as I pi. So I can write this as k ln 2 equal to ln minus 1 is the same thing as what? I pi, according to the Euler formula. So I'm going to write I pi here. Then or now on comparing this, both the left hand side and right hand side of this expression here, we can simply get our value for k as what? 2. Why? The power here is k, and the power for 2 here is k, and the power for 2 here is what? 2. So we can say k is equal to 2 here. And also this base here now is 2, and this is what? K. So k is also equal to 2. So we can simply say that k is what? Equal to 2 here. Then from here now, I can say that k is equal to I pi all over ln 2. So the solution to this exponential equation are k equal to I pi all over ln 2, or k is equal to 2. Now we recall that I is still the same thing as the square root of minus 1. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.